Now let's take a look at another question. Patient suffering from advanced stage of gastric cancer has developed something like this. Now herein the story is quite simple. This picture has been asked in the FMG December 2019 exam. They gave this picture and something similar question was there. A lady of gastric cancer. Now this is quite clear. There are peri-umbilical tumor deposits and the correct answer will be Sister Mary Joseph nodule. So the correct answer for question number 20 will be A for Agra. Virchow node, once again, it is enlarged left supraclavicular lymph node. Irish node, it is the axillary lymph node. And infected umbilical hernia is something which is not sequely to gastric cancer. It can be present as a different entity, but it is not related to this gastric cancer straight away. So the correct answer is A. The next question is 30-year-old gentleman who visited a slum area for 3-4 weeks duration in the recent past, presented in the emergency with severe pain in the right hypochondrium, anorexia, nausea and decreased appetite. Okay, age पे ध्यान देना बेटा. Age is 30 years. Okay, duration is 3 weeks. Slum area में गया है. Slum area means must be something related to थोड़ा बहुत contamination हो सकता है. In the emergency room, he has come with severe pain in the right hypochondrium, anorexia, nausea and decreased appetite. Okay, there is severe pain. Severe pain means must be some infective pathology. Anorexia, nausea, this is something which we commonly see in acute inflammations. He is having a temperature of 40 degree. Oh my God, that means he is febrile. So infection is going on, party is going on inside. 30-year-old gentleman, राइट हाइपोकॉन्ड्रियम में दर्द है, बुखार है, पार्टी चल रही है राइट हाइपोकॉन्ड्रियम में. बेसिकली 30-year-old, राइट हाइपोकॉन्ड्रियम, पार्टी इज गोइंग ऑन. ओके, नाउ ही इज कंप्लेनिंग ऑफ कफ एज वेल. ओके, ऑन एग्जामिनेशन थंब साइन was positive and there was tenderness in the right hypochondrium, most likely diagnosis. Okay, so he has made it quite simple for us. Basically, the clinical situation is that 30-year-old gentleman has come to you with severe pain in the right hypochondrium associated with fever. So there is some acute inflammation going on in the right hypochondrium. That means it can be related to liver, it can be related to gallbladder. Okay, and apart from this, what he is saying is, when you are doing a clinical examination, there was tenderness in the right hypochondrium. That means there is something red hot lying in the right hypochondrium, and a thumb sign was positive. Now, thumb sign was positive means, thumb sign is if we are pressing the thumb is something like this. We actually do like this. So if we press it like this and the patient winces in pain, this is what is a positive thumb sign. Chronic cholecystitis, no, it has to be something acute. Cholangitis, yes, cholangitis can present with pain in the right hypochondrium, but generally cholangitis also has got jaundice. You know the Charcot triad, pain, fever, jaundice. Here there is pain, here there is fever, but no jaundice. Okay, so let's hold it on. Amoebic liver abscess, yes, amoebic liver abscesses, they can present something like this. Abscess मतलब क्या है? पस पड़ी हुई है, right? There is pus inside. So there is a party going on inside the liver. That is why there is pain in the right hypochondrium, and this thumb sign is classically positive in amoebic liver abscesses. Perforation peritonitis, that would be a diffuse peritonitis, so there would be diffuse pain all over the abdomen and there would be diffuse tenderness all over the abdomen. Here the story has to be confined to the right hypochondrium. And for the right hypochondrium, we have got two options here. One is cholangitis, another is amoebic liver abscess, because there is no jaundice in this patient. Plus, a thumb sign is positive, which is classically seen in amoebic liver abscesses. The best answer for this is amoebic liver abscess. So for question number 21, the right answer is C for Chennai, amoebic liver abscesses. Another question, aspirin protects against all except. Now in this particular question, myocardial infarction, yes we know. Stroke, yes we know. Aspirin has got a very, very important role. Colorectal cancers, yes. Aspirin is known to protect in colorectal cancers as well. Liver cancer, there is no hypothesis or theory which is suggesting that aspirin protects against liver cancer. So aspirin protects against MI, that's right. Stroke, yes. Colorectal cancer, yes. Liver cancer, no. So the right answer for question number 22 is D for Delhi. Question number 23, 32-year-old female with fever, pain in the right hypochondrium, with breast ketchup upon palpation, probable clinical diagnosis in this lady. Now I hope Beta ji, you remember this nicely and you would not have committed a mistake in answering this particular question. This is a 32-year-old female, pain, fever in the right hypochondrium, breath ketchup upon palpation. When you try to insinuate your forefingers beneath the right costal margin and ask the patient to take a deep breath, the patient suddenly catches her breath. This is what is Murphy's sign. This is what is Murphy's sign. And Murphy's sign किसमें मिलता है? Murphy's sign, is it seen in acute cholecystitis or chronic cholecystitis? It is seen in acute cholecystitis. Read the question once again. There is pain in the right hypochondrium. यहाँ पे दर्द है, right? Appendicitis का दर्द यहाँ पे होता है. Appendicitis में there is a McBurney's sign. Acute cholecystitis में there is Murphy's sign. So यहाँ पे Murphy's है ऊपर और नीचे McBurney's है, right? Now let's take a look at the options. Chronic cholecystitis, no. It will be seen in acute when the gallbladder will be red hot inflamed. Acute, yes, this is going to be the answer. We are not going to waste too much of time in such questions, right? Question बस हमने देखा right hypochondrium की बात कर रहा है, fever की बात कर रहा है, दर्द की बात कर रहा है, तो chronic खत्म हो गई कहानी. Acute पे आ जाओ. Breath ketchup upon palpation, this is classical Murphy's, right? So the best answer would be acute cholecystitis. Acute appendicitis, it is the McBurney's sign, and acute cholangitis generally presents with tenderness in the right hypochondrium, while breath ketchup is classically seen. क्यों होता है ऐसा? क्योंकि when the gallbladder is red hot inflamed, and gallbladder you know is lying on the inferior surface of liver, right? So liver is behind the costal margin here. Patient is lying supine. If the gallbladder is red hot inflamed and you try to insinuate your forefingers beneath the right costal margin and ask the patient to take a deep breath, the red hot gallbladder will touch your finger and then the patient will wince in pain. This is what is classical Murphy's. This is seen in acute cholecystitis. This is actually a single liner question, beta. Murphy's sign is seen in, right? What the MCQ people are doing nowadays, our experience in this suggests that MCQ people, they are mainly focusing on the same topics, but they are just changing the language of the questions. Instead of writing just like a Murphy's sign is seen in, they are writing what is Murphy's sign, and then they are asking कि this is seen in, right beta? So this is going to happen on 31st August as well. You might come across various things जो अभी जब हम रिवाइज कर रहे हैं ना, नोट्स पढ़ रहे हैं, रिवाइज कर रहे हैं, तो विल बी क्विकली डूइंग दिस. McBurney sign, acute appendicitis. Rovsing sign, acute appendicitis. Then flower vase ureter, horseshoe kidney, spider legs, polycystic kidney. But what he can do in the exam beta, instead of writing that spider leg appearance is seen in, he might give you the definition of what is that spider leg. He might tell you that when an intravenous urography has been done, then there is thinning of the pelvic calyceal system, there is splaying of the calyces, right? Something like this, thinning of the pelvic calyceal system, splaying of the calyces like this, and this would be seen in. So you have to be very cautious. वहाँ पे घबराना नहीं है, right? ऐसे questions को देख के just keep your cool, just have the patience, you know the answer, just try to focus on what the examiner is going to ask, what the examiner is trying to ask, right beta? Okay, so let's take a look at this question. This is clear cut 23. The answer is B for Bombay, acute cholecystitis.